Alright ke ningizima Africa Mzansi siseshewude ke eThekwini la khona ke lapho ke abahlali ke baseMalawi bathe caba khona ngenhloso ukuthi ke bafisa ukuthi ke bahambe babheke ekhaya siyazi ukuthi ke bekuhlezi ke kunakho ukuthi ke sekuyisikhathi ukuthi bahambe lokho kuveza ama South Africans esingakuveza nje la mlaleli ukuthi kune fence efakiwe okuyifence efakwe nje kwesikhashana ukuthi ke igada nje ukuphepha kulesikhathi samanje basiyazi ukuthi ngaphakathi kunomama ke kunezinsizwa kunezingane engaphakathi kanti ke futhi esingakuveza ukuthi lapha ukuthi amaphoyisa ake abanako ukukhilisana lapha nabahlali ke baseMalawi ke uyazi ke mangabe ke kukhona indlala kukhona futhi ukudinwa bekube khona ukuphawuma kwemoya yikho lokho okwenze kwaze amaphoyisa athi ke awafake ifence la eSherwood uqinisekisa ezokuphepha. Okay, esingakuveza futhi enye into ukuthi amabhasi sithe angaphekwe 12 lapha ke nangaphezulu shuthi more than 20 amabhasi ke akhona lapha uqinisekisa ukuthi ke athatha abantu bokufika abalibekisa lapha ke ezweni laseMalawi singasho ukuthi ke abanye bakujabulela lokho abanye ke abakujabuleli kodwa sikuveza ukuthi ke more than 20 amabhasi akhona namhlanje kuseni kuyi Friday athi ke abheke ekhaya ke eMalawi lenhloso ukuthi ke athathe labo ke abanesifiso sokuthi ke babuyele ekhaya ke eMalawi ke ilokho singakuveza njengamanje mlaleli ukuthi ke isimo ke sibuye ngathi sicalm njengamhlanje akukho ke okukhona ongathi kuphazamisa ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa nama officials ahlukahlukene but singakuveza ukuthi ke kukhona ukuthula kukhona ke ukubambisana lude ke ujenge labantu ke ababheke ekutheni bagebele amabhasi akhenisike la ngaphandle ukuthi nabantu balapha eNingizimu Afrika babukela uqinisekisa ukuthi ke bayabuka ukuthi ke bahamba kanjani ke labo ke bokufika belibhekise ekhaya ke eMalawi sizwe sibonga ngokashoze cheers bye. Okay ke Ningizimu Afrika Mzansi bukhoma ke eSherwood eThekwini la khona kulindele ukuthi ke abafika ke abahlala ke izweni ke laseMalawi balibangise ekhaya kubo njengoba ke sazi ukuthi namhlanje cishe ke angapheka 20 amabhasi ke singathi ke akhona ke la azolibhekisa ke ekhaya ke eMalawi ngivumele ke mfowethu ukuthi ke ngithathe ke labo bazokwazi ukubakhulume nje ababili abathathu siza ukuthi ke bazizwa kanjani bafowethu nihamba nibheke emakhaya ungafisa ukuphawula mhlawumbe ubheke emakhaya njabule kunjani lapho
Uyaphila kanjani?
Siyaphila mfowethu ujabule uyekhaya namhlanje finally
Inkinga sizolanga ithathe ke yabo.
wazi English
Angisazi lutho.
Okay nangu mfowethu ngathi uzoyimisela ukuthi akhulume mfowethu namhlanje senibheke emakhaya nayi ibhasi niyagebe senibheke emakhaya
Siyajabula malume masiguduke semakhaya siyaguduka siyajabula ke phela
kodwa kube buhlungu indlela enikhishwe ngayo South Africa
Kunshungu kampela ke kunshungu ngoba siyahamba singafuni yebo
buwenza na South Africa yini buyenza
siyasebenza lana South Africa.
Okay siyabonga mfowethu sabonga kakhulu mfowethu sizama ukuthola omunye mfowethu ozokwazi ukuthi aphawule othi yena ke lapha ke naye ke ulibhekise ekhaya ke eMalawi lokho ke uzofisa ukuthi ke abe nokuphawula okuthile bafowethu emfowethu ngizobheka nje oyedwa ababili abathathu athi nqampu nje osegoduka bafowethu ofuna ukuphawula mhlawumbe senibheke emakhaya nijabule senijabule seniyahamba yes
siyajabula ukuthi siyahamba
yes
uthi uyabona sishala kunzima lana
ngiyabona
so siyajabula igovernment yethu ukuthi siyezekile ukuthi izile into kumnandi yabona
Ingelanga lapha kanti kuthi
indlela ohambe ngayo nendlela okwenziwe ngaSouth Africa ubona ukuthi ibe neqiniso noma ibe nefair
kuba lana ukuthi angeke singikhulume kakhulu because uyazi siyahamba manje so inkinga ukuthi kwenzekile vele
uzobuya South Africa uzobuya khona indlela uzoyenza musungale ukuthi ubuye back South Africa
ya ngizokwazi ukuthi uyabona thina government unama passports siyakwazi ukufika lana si eAfrica sonke yabo ya kodwa kumanje kunzima siyavuma ukuthi sihambe yabo
hambe kahle mfowethu okay mfana kithi ke ilabo ke ababili abathathu ekade ke sibathola sifuna nje ukuzwa kubona ukuthi ngabe bazizwa kanjani ke besendleleni ngebheke emakhaya ke njengoba sazi ukuthi ke cishe ke lapha ke amabhasi yangapheka 2025 azolibangisa ke lapha ke eMalawi lapho ukuthi ke bathathe ke labo bokufika mhlawumbe angazi mfuka Ntombela la siqhubeka sithatha abanye bafowethu nibheke emakhaya manje nijabule
Yeah mfethu njengoba mina mfethu bengana option nje ukuthi ngathini yabo ngiyajabula ngokuya emakhaya ngoba kusekhaya nje vele nje ayikho enye into ngayisho nje ukuthi kusekhaya noma kuthiwa nje kunjani njani akusho lutho lokho kusekhaya nje
kodwa kubuye ngathi indlela ehamba ngayo azange bemnandi nje abaseningizimu Afrika bencosha bethambani.
ya vele asithandanga nje ukuthi sithandele nje ukuthi kugoduke kufostwa nje ukuthi phuma kusakhishwa nje endlu zethu nje ukuthi hambani nje yabo ngibuyele kini yabo njenga thina nje abantu bokufika bese ngana choice nje bekumela nje sihambe noma kanjani nje ya
Ekhaya khona bani khona ingane khona umama khona ubaba la South Africa usushiye bani noma mhlawumbe khona iplan ozowenza futhi ukuthi ubuye.
Mina futhi la eSouth Africa ngishiye uma wengane lapha imali engakhona abazali bami nje kuphela nefamily yami osisi bami.
Okay ningizimu Afrika uBlack Yusuf ke bayambiza Nkosi yami ngiyamxolisela lapha njengoba ke bembiza ebheke ekuthina ke yagibele uBlack Yusuf sibembiza ke lapha ke bathi ke abahambe mfowethu Zoso uzobona lapha ngaphesheya ukuthi ke ukhona ke isitamfithi ke esenzekela khona njengoba ke ubona izingane lapha ke nomama Nkosi yami ke bayambondelana ngathi ke sekukhona ke ukujaha okukhona asazi ukuzathi siphi okubhlungu ukuthi kunezingane ezincane lapha mfoka Ntombela okwenza ukuthi ke lezi ngane ke zingase ibhitshizeke ilimali mfowethu ubhlungu ke lokho sikubuka njengamanje lapha ke eSherwood ke inhloso ke iningi labo lifisa ukwamukela ke lapha ke ukudla lifisa ke lapha ke kuba ukuqala ke babhaliswa ukuthi ke babe ku list ke ezohamba ibheke ebhasini balibangise ekhaya ke ingakho ubona ngathi ke kunokunyakaza nokukhona wesinyokotho okukhona la kwabesifazane ke nezingane umsindo lo uzwayo ke bebanga nje ukuthi ke bafike ekubhaliseni nasekutheni ke bathole ukudla lapha ke mfuka Ntombela yilo ke esingathi sikuphethe ke lokhu mfowethu la ke eSherwood ke eThekwini la khona ke abokufika belibangise emakhaya ke lapha ke eMalawi noma siveze la ukuthi sibuka ke izingane mfowethu nomama ke ubwele mfowethu ukukhala ke kwabo kakhulukazi izingane njengoba ke siphazanyiswa ke okwenzeka lapha ke nokunyakaza okukhona njengoba ke ubuka la ukuthi omama bajaha ukuthi bayobhalisa ke amagama abo njengoba ke bezohlelwa ke ilist ke ezophuma iyebhasini abahamba futhi ke khona ke lapha eduze khona ke gift of the givers ke ebanikeza ukudla kanti ke futhi sawumuntu line loyo futhi okhanda futhi sinyokotho njengoba usazi ukuthi bafuna ukuthola ke okuya ngasethunjini ke laba ke abakhona ke la abesifazane zingane ke ezincane kakhulu eminyakeni ke cishe lapha ku0 kuya ku3 years khona ke lapha iphethwe ngomama nezindala ke cishe zibe la ku5 years ku 10 years khona ke lapha ke khalela ke lapha ke ukuba ke thole ke usizo ke nonina bazo lapha ke eSherwood ke kunomsini amaphoyisa ke asebenza overtime qinisekisa ukuthi ke akhanda lapha ke iorder lapha ke eSherwood ke usungabona ke lapho ukuthi ke into eyenza la ukuthi ke kuhamba angazi ngasiphi izathu kodwa sibona kakhulu ke amadoda ke kunathi ahamba kuqala ke ebheke emabhasini umuzwa wami ukuthi ke kwenziwa yini ke ushiye umuntu osifazane nengane bese uhloma indoda phambili ebhasini usala kanje umuntu osifazane ke engalayishiwe kuqala kanye ke nezingane ikona ngikubona njengamanje la ibhasi ke ngiyibopha phambi kwami ke ihamba nabantu cishe ke bodwa abangabesilisa abesifazane ke nezingane basele ke bodwa la okwamanje nabo kodwa likhona phela uhlelo ukuthi ke babhekiswe lapha ke emakhaya but ke uqalwe ngabesilisa ukuthi kanjani ngasiphi izathu angesazi ingane ke omama ke abakhalayo ke lapha ke babanga nje ukuthi babhaliswe amagama abo babhekiswe ke emakhaya ke ikona kwenza lapha ke endaweni ke yaseSherwood eThekwini.
kahle yabona. Hayi. Hayi konakele bafana shehodi. Konakele shehodi. Akwazeki ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha njengoba bephuma lapha ukuthi bafuna ukuthi kiwe. Konakele kakhulu bafethu, konakele kakhulu sisibuyile khona lapha ade ngisho khona ukuthi khona kuzokwenzeka lapha ngoba akuqondakala ukuthi yini ibangwayo. Qondakala ukuthi yini ebangwayo. Uzabona nje ngendlela ababhalanse ngakhona phakathi mfethu. Yashindu. Umendu.
Right.
Lokho iqhumile indunga la hayi. Yashindu. Uma uphaqa straight. Yashindu. Yayihle ingane yakho mama. Akuyona yakho?
Yes,
Awu bakithi yazi yayinhle. Siwuyele ekhaya yazalela lana. Bakithi ya. So manje ayiyazi impilo yale Malawi. Ingane.
I have two from Malawi. I have one here.
Oh, with Zulu. Oh yeah.
Usebenza la. Wenzani?
Last time I worked in Malawi.
Mara
High
yini?
point.
Oh yeah. So ayiyazi impilo yala. Yasemalawi, ayiyazi impilo yasemalawi ne.
No, not now.
You are beautiful girl, yes. Hello Nana. We are beautiful.
Why you never say thank you? Because you said me beautiful.
Ubaba wakhe.
Ubaba uhambile
Oh,
Phambili.
yesterday.
awu bakithi.
Why bahambisa obaba bashiye omama?
500 for this bus. You never see you going family, I can't go family.
Yeah,
Yeah. My husband is going yesterday, today.
yeah. But that is good, man.
Say bye-bye.
Hello girl. Hello. High five. High five girl.
Ayya. Bye.
Where are you going?
Ayi laphana kushubile isimo bafethu kushubile lapha isimo. Isimo laphana sishubile isimo. Bayisaqhumisa ibhande manje.
Ngishaya lapha ya.
Ha?
Ngala ngale.
Ngakuphi?
Ngale ngemuva sethe sithi la nasemabhasini sethe phansi.
Ke labantu bafuna ukungena ngalane. Ngale emabhasini kuya khona ucingo. Oh ngale.
Yaphela ngale. Ay. Any short there.
Ay lutho mfethu. Eya.
Nakubangwani lapha ngafika ukwazi inkinga lapha.
Habuka yashinduka. Ngasamba sikudla ngalo.
Badalo banda wena. Siyabonisa sakubanda. Akula manje. Mami ngifuna nje.
Ngiyafuna sibona wena.
Solo tu aquel.
Hayi no. Yeah, hayi ungadlula. Hey ngiyaphila. Hey Khawu, manje bathi umbambe phela. Enze njani sibali? Ona.
Dunayam naphila. Hey bafo. Uncane. Oza ngala kancane. Uzifundisa ukuthi kwenzakaleni yazi.
Lapha bangishela pha Chesterville.
Uhlatshisa Chesterville.
Yebo.
Kwenzakaleni mfethu?
Laphana bengiphume bengiyokuthenga impuphu. So ngihlingene abantu bangishayile bangimazile laphana bekunini?
Yes.
2 days ago.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ushawa abakephi amaphoyisa okanye abangakini?
Hayi bona bangishaye abantu balana nje abezulu.
Akushaya emgqoqweni uza?
Umgwaqo bengiya lapha ukuthenga impuphu nje.
Yes.
So bangingena lapha emgwaqweni bathi ukuthi hambani seke bangishaya bangikwazi.
Okay, manje ngibona iambulance la izokuthatha noma uzosala phansi uqale phansi ubhalise?
Hayi lapha bengifuna ukuthi yabona into ngifuna ukuthi kungcono ngigoduke yabona lo ngoba bona lento ukuthi ngihluku kakhulu so otherwise mina kuzoba inkinga kakhulu ngakho kungcono ngigoduke yabo.
Uzomba kanjani lapho mfana kithi uneyinhlungu waye ungatholi usizo lokuqala before uhamba?
Okay, makuzowezeka ngizoya khona ukuthi bangisize. Makuzowezeka ukuthi ngikwazi ukungena laphana ukuthi bangisize. It's okay.
Umuntu mangabe ucabanga igama lomZulu kufika nekhanda lakho kufika abantu abanjani ekhanda lakho yini ecabanga uma ucabanga abantu bakwaZulu noma ucabanga abantu bakwaZulu Natal?
Hayi lento ngicabanga ukuthi manje anginayo choice nje ngoba ngibona ukuthi manje kuhlubiwe asina ipeace. Yeah. So there's no way.
Yeah.
Lokungcono ngigoduka.
Okay. No, sabonga kakhulu bayigama bathi
Igama lami Julius.
wakaba.
Robert.
Okay, sabonga. Sure. Okay. All right. Siswam ofuna ukuphawula mawam. Okay. So bathula ke inkosi yami abazophawula siza ukuthi ke bathini njengoba sazi ukuthi Okay. Siswam uyahamba?
Yes.
Njobuhamba nje
I'm not understanding it all.
Okay. You live in South Africa now, you're going to Malawi. How are you feeling? Okay. I think indaba yela ngithi inkinga. Siswami niyahamba nemakhaya manje.
Siyahamba.
Kodwa kuphatha kanjalo kusuka manje suhamba emakhaya bungalindeli, bungalungiseleli.
Kuthiwa thina siyabona kumuhlungu lana kulinda. Sifikile eMande lana. Kodwa manje siyahamba siyajabula.
Okay, sabonga kakhulu. Siswami nawe ubheke ekhaya manje ngiyabona ukuthi umthwalo uready kodwa awukho right ebusweni. Yes. Emakhaya ingane ziphi?
Is two.
Okay, sabonga kakhulu Nkosi yami. All right.
That hasn't happened yet. I understand as and when the police need to control the crowd, they use their own loudhailers, but that's ineffective across across the mass of people here, and that really is one issue I would like to urge officialdom, whether it's provincial, national or municipal, to please set up a way of communicating with the people who are here.
And you're mentioning just one issue there, but of course we know many still remain. Maybe just to talk to us about some of the challenges that we are seeing unfold. And I go back to some of the people that continue to arrive. Just talk to us about how challenging it is for this process to be completed.
It's getting worse by the minute because people continue arriving. We've seen, as we've been standing here, people arriving with their bags on their head. Yesterday, when I was walking from my car to where I'm standing now, the lady was walking back with about a 3-year-old toddler and a bag on her head, and she'd been turned away because she's from Umlazi. There was a barricade set up along Loxley Drive and Moses Katani Road, which is the other side of the park. But I saw even yesterday that there's a big gap in that barricade, and this morning I see it's not properly closed up. So the attempts to isolate this area are not effective enough, and I would urge officials to please resume the barricades and man them if necessary to make them coherent.
Councillor, thank you very much for your time and
Can we have a word? Do you want to have a 12 hours to have a word?
Sure, yeah.
All right, mfowethu sibinga sikwamukele. I think what we are seeing here is the number of people that are here, but also I can feel the stress that the municipality is facing. But firstly, give us your name and also the title.
My name is Warren Byrne. I'm the ward councillor for Ward 30, which includes Sherwood. It's in the middle of my ward. It stretches west to the leafy suburbs of Westville, but also Benella, which is slightly to the southwest, and Mabel area as well.
Yes, there's a number of people here. I'm sure as a municipality, as a councillor, you're stressing that there are more and more people that are coming that are waiting to be transported to their loved country, which is Malawi.
Indeed, and much as about 1,500 people have been both repatriated and deported, it looks like it's a drop in the ocean because it doesn't seem to have had any impact on the density of the people who are here on the site. I know people are still arriving. I saw people arriving yesterday. I've seen people this morning arriving with bags on their head. And there's undoubtedly a lot of opportunism that's happening. There was a list, or there is a list of the first 180 people who are here, and then the list restarted on Monday, the 8th of June. And that list is in the Mayor's office, and I am surprised that it's not being used to isolate the initial arrivals so that they get moved off first. Yes. I understand it would be a very practically difficult issue to try and identify the first arrivals, but I think some effort should be being done to do so that those who arrive first are the first to leave. Yes. I understand quite clearly that the process of deciding who gets on the buses is entirely in the hands of the Malawian officials, and that the South African officials only process whoever is brought forward by the Malawian officials. So it really is the task of the Malawian government's representatives to identify the people who move, but I'm not sure that they are prioritizing the first arrivals, which is a pity.
Yes. I see that there's not much of officials from different departments, can be Home Affairs. As I see, there is a number of Home Affairs individuals or officials, but I think the government has not done enough to make sure that there is a number of officials. So right. Alright ke eNingizimu Afrika Mzansi khoma ke eSherwood ke ngaphansi ka ward 30 ila khona ke aba bokufika ke basezweni ke laseMalawi ke bethe cithi saka khona belinde ukuthi ke bathola ke amabhasi ze abayise ngasekhaya kubo ke eMalawi eca kwami ke la ngiphethe ke uThobane ngowangcobo ungunobhala ke weANC ku ward 30 la eSherwood mapholo bomkhulu qadi ula njengokhongolose mhlambe ukubuka isimo ithini view yenu njengeANC ukuthi kunabantu abangaka la abakhona abalenda ukubahambe njengeANC wadini nithini?
No, siyabingelela qhawe njoba usomshilo. No, iANC iposition yayo iqondile nje mfowethu. That is why uthola ukuthi kunama officials aloke edeploywa from umkhandlu waseThekwini, amaphoyisa and everybody else. njobona namabhasi eseka ngaka intervention kahulumeni olidwa ANC. Into iposition yethu ke isimple. Abantu abama undocumented immigrants simile nathi ekuthenini kufanele bahambe baye bayokufuna amaphepha aqondile bese beyabuya mebefuna ukubuya babuye ngendlela eqondile. Ikakhulukazi leyo nto iaddressa nento yokuthi nabantu abawosomathuba bangaqasha abantu abama cheap labours kodwa abantu baqashwa phela abantu umusuka uya kwelinye izwe fanele uze because une speciality esingenaso thina kwe country yethu kodwa awukwazi ukutholakala usuwenza into esingakwazi nathi ukuyenza. So iposition ANC iqondile nje simile ekuthenini abantu abase South Africa baziwe uhulumeni. We need to account for everyone ose South Africa and le asiyazi nathi ukuthi iqale kanjani. Ngoba saqala ukuza nje kuthiwa kunabantu abawu60 la sebakhelwa amatende and umkhandlu weTheku was not informed. Ngoba umuntu uzamile ukuthinta noPaul obungenhla ukucheck ukuthi sifike kanjani la sikhona. Kwadla ukuthi ke sizwe sekuthiwa nje sekunabantu abahleli la and mungase ubheke kahle la abantu abala akusibona abantu abahlele wa30 abahlali as much as bama undocumented immigrants kodwa akusibona abantu base wa30. So abantu base cishe base KZN Young because kunabantu base Maritzburg la ukuthi abafike kanjani we don't know but asumbongo uhulumeni ukuthi ikakhulukazi umkhandlu weTheku under uNonkosi ukuthi usheshile nabantu bahulumeni bababheka abantu bafaka emabhasini yabona amabhasa la over 10 so kuyasetshenzwa kodwa simile ekuthenini sime njengabantu njenge-ANC sime nabantu base South Africa idingo zabo zivalidi and idingo zabo imfuno zabo awukwazi ukuyiquestiona bafuna ukulungisa izwe labo and wonke umuntu ose South Africa kumele abe se South Africa ngendlela ecorrect ngoba kwamanye amazwe kuyicala uba ezweni ongahlali ongalona wakhona ungena amaphepha khona.
Okay, siyathoza kakhulu Ngcobo omkhulu ngoba incathi imibuzo eminingi beyithi uzoyibuza ufuna wayikhava. Mhlawumbe yonke lento isuke ngesikhathi sibona abantu abafana noJacinta Ngcobo besukuma. Ubona abantu abafana noNgizwe Mchunu besukuma uNgizwe Mchunu ke siyazi komunye wabantu ke abuya kuncela lapha kuKhongolose umuntu enimazi kangcono mhlawumbe njengo-ANC.
Angikwazi ukukhulumela iqhunu ukuthi liyancela kuKhongolose or not kodwa iqiniso njoba angifuni ukuthi ngipointe abantu ama individuals uma ukhuluma ngabantu abanjengo Jacinta nabantu abanjengo Ngizwe noPhakela uMthakathi those are South African people. Mhlambe asikuncoma ukuthi bayiveze lento ikwazi ukusukumeleka na wonke omunye umuntu ngoba kwesisikhathi enye into ukuthi uyikhuluma wena ingazwakala kodwa manje sikhulunywa womunye umuntu ukuthi iyafana kodwa ngenxa ukuthi usikhulunywa kanje akaze kungabi icala ukuba sezweni ungadokumentiwe. Behlale kuyicala njalo kodwa manje ngenxa ukuthi ke wonke umuntu waseSouth Africa usukuma ukukhuluma ilanguage njalo nathi sibambelele kuyona konke abakushoyo into esingayivuma ukuthi wonke umuntu ngisho onamaphepha yaseSouth Africa agcine be affected asikuvumike lokho. Uma unama documents kufanele ukwazi ukuhlala ezweni. Number 2 as much as kungekho asikuvumi futhi ukuthi abantu uma ungenawo i-permission noma ungayena i-law enforcement kube ukuthi ukhiphisa abantu amaphepha and all those things. Amaphoyisa kufanele enze umsebenzi wawo okwethu kwasupporta. Angikushayela izandla nje ngangambona uPhakela uMthakathi ehamba nawo amaphoyisa kwelinye ibhilidi khona la eThekwini. Kuyasho ukuthi abantu base-Afrika balalela bemlalela bonke ethi asihlale phansi amaphoyisa enze umsebenzi. Ilokho esikushoyo asikureport ongalungile kodwa abantu be-law enforcement must take responsibility benze into ukuthi izwe lethu liphephe.
Okay, uNgcobo ke lo unobhala ke kuwa30 onguthobani okaNgcobo wa30 unobhala ke weqembu le-ANC. Siyathokoza.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga. Alright ke ningizimu Afrika Mzansi Sherwood ke ila sikhona ukuzobhekisisa ke isimo siqhubeka la ngaphakathi ke ehholo ke Sherwood ngasho ke ukuthi ke kuningi okwenzakalayo ke baningi abaphumayo baningi abangenayo kanti ke namaqembu ezepolitiki maningi afikayo sikhulumile ke nalo ke umele ke iqembu le-ANC kunobhala ke uThobani waka Ngcobo kanti ke njengamanje sikhuluma ke no Preggy aka-Governor Preggy. I can see that you were busy communicating with people over the phone, but you just came now. What is happening here? Just give us a clear picture what we have saw here, and also what can you give us to say what you saw here.
Are we going back to the history of what happened here?
If you can just briefly.
Right. So basically, about 12 days ago on a Sunday evening, we were informed that there were about 75 to 100 people that came onto the spot from a local settlement. They were said that they were arrested and they found a way to the park. And then by Monday, it accumulated to about 200, and within a day or two, it went to over 1,000, and from there, it just grew exponentially.
Yes.
So
Yes.
immediately, I represent the Sherwood Residents Association. I'm also a member of the ward committee. So the councillor, who is the councillor of this ward, immediately informed the necessary relevant authorities, mostly that he's the councillor. So he informed the municipality about what is happening here.
Yes.
Thereafter, municipality sent the Metro Police to monitor the situation. Civil society got involved with regard to by the second day, they got involved in feeding, and I think the mayor came in on Wednesday. The mayor visited the site. Members of the Justice Department and members of immigration came through. The situation that was portrayed to them that it's important to cordon off this area and to stop further people from coming in. Unfortunately, that has been the call from our residents. It's been a call from people on the ground here that this area needed to be cordoned off.
Yes. When I came here, I was told that there are people from different areas that are coming here.
Correct.
Flooding to in fact, they are seeking help to be deported. But as a Democratic Alliance in this Ward 30, what is your role? What are you doing to assist these people? Is anything that your ADA is doing to assist these people?
So, the councillor, I'm not authorized to speak on behalf of the DA, I understand? I'm wearing the T-shirt, I'm a member of the Democratic Alliance, and I'm an aspirant candidate, but I'm not the official spokesperson for the DA, so I'm not going to comment on behalf of the Democratic Alliance. Yeah, I'm going to comment as a member of the Sherwood Residents Association, and in terms of my responsibility as a member of the ward committee.
But give us a background. What caused this Stamford, if I may use that name? I heard that there are some business individuals that are benefiting to have these people as they are cheap labor. What can you say to that? And also, do you have any information to say these people are here because are being used by individuals, by particular business individuals, so that they can gain from these people?
Okay, my understanding is this, right? It's not easy for me to comment on the issue of the exploitation of labor in this country. But what is clearly been, we see this on media and all this type of things. Obviously, the South Africans are not getting work at the moment, and foreigners are in their place at the point. And so obviously that is the disagreement that is taking place, that the government has been very porous in taking care of our borders and not, looking after our borders, that is allowing for the influx of people into the country. So I think what civil society is saying that we need to ensure that we have proper controls in place to ensure that when people are here, that they are documented that they are here. I think, in my opinion, that we should look seriously at ensuring that our own labor and our own South African citizens that needs to be employed in this country. I think the idea of foreign citizens coming forward and taking the place of South African jobs, I don't think that's correct. As far as the exploitation of labor, I'm not in a position to comment on it because I don't know exactly what are the relationship between business and those who employ these people and the financial agreements that they have.
Do you have any information about those that are staying around here, about their safety, in terms of safety? Are you worried about that? Did you get any information that the communities around here are not being saved, especially now that we see these people that are here. Any information do you have?
Yes. You know, being a member of the Sherwood Residents Association, the local residents are terrified. If you look at this kind of situation developing in this area, it is very scary. More especially when they started marching on Tuesday and yesterday's altercation in which, they started throwing stone. I was here as well. I got hurt as well. So obviously that's going to be very scary for the resident. Every resident in this area is concerned about their safety. We are fortunate that we have sufficient police. There haven't been an altercation so far with residents, and we hope that process proceeds. Even further apart from here, the residents further away from here, like Bonella, Habitat and all, are also concerned about safety because a lot of people transgress this area. So they're concerned about when they are going to work or whether they're going to get mugged and stuff like that. The children are going to school. We don't know because there's no control. Fortunately, from yesterday, they put the barbed wire fence, and that to an extent is controlling the people. But I still think that we need to do more in terms of having, I've been telling this to the city management, that we need to have roadblocks around this place or have metro police that is cordoned off. We've got so much of police cordon contained in the central part, but if we close off 3 or 4 addresses, we'll stop further people from coming, and that is the key. We need to stop people from keep coming here. I do not believe that these people are unemployed. I do not believe 7,000 people are unemployed. We have always been saying that foreigners are employed in South Africa irrespective of what they're earning. They've been aware that there's a cry in this country that they need to leave. I'm not going to go into the merits and debate as to why they need to leave or how the processes are. But they had money saved. They had money to go, and if they were told not to come here, and if we cordoned this area, we wouldn't have this crisis on our hand. They would have had the money to go home. And I'm still saying to people, please do not come here. Take your money. You found your way into the country. Please go back. You are causing a problem for us in this country.
Peggy Gavenda, he is a member of a Democratic Alliance in this Ward 30 under eThekwini Municipality. See you, Chase. Bye.